how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you are?
I'm fine too, thank you. My name is Jeline.
My name is Simon. Nice to meet you, Julie.
Nice to meet you too, Simon. Where are you from?
I'm from Laos.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Where do you study and what grade are you in?
I study at Legal School and I in secondary 1.
Okay, you're in secondary one. Where do you study English?
I study English at Humphrey Center.
Why do you study English?
I study English because I want to communicate with foreigners.
Okay. What would you like to be in the future and why?
I want to be a YouTuber because I want to make animation.
Animation. Oh. Which country would you like to visit the most and why?
I want to visit Thailand because I want to shopping at there.
Oh, you want to shop there? Okay. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Basketball. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fast food.
Fast food. Okay. Thank you, Simon.
Thank you.